Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Sephora haul, and yes, it is a big one, and yes, I did say I wasn't going to purchase a lot from this sale. I don't know what happened. I guess I blacked out because I ended up with 2 huge boxes on my doorstep. This is a little delayed because let me tell you, the shipping was really bad. Let me just say that this little box right here, I've been waiting on it to film my haul for probably almost 2 weeks because it got lost in the mail. It literally went from where I live all the way to Texas, all the way back to where I live. Anyways, I tried not to use a bunch of the stuff that I got because I wanted to show it to you fresh in the packaging without being used. And I do plan on doing a video using the new products, like a first impressions kind of video, or using my Sephora sale goodies. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you all subscribe for more beauty, makeup, fashion related videos so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And let's get into see what I got. So let's start here. To be honest, I don't even remember what all I got because I just picked up so much stuff. So the first thing that I picked up is this Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas Primer. This is pretty new. I believe it released just a month or so before the sale started. I don't really have very many Tatcha products. I have the Dewy Skin Setting Spray Mist and I love it. But this has been raved about on YouTube, so I decided to try it. It's just supposed to be a smoothing primer. I hope I love this. If I don't love it, it will go back because it was like $52, but it's supposed to make you look like you have a filter on your face and prime you for makeup, so I'm excited to try that out. I always like to pick up like a new foundation every time the sale rolls around just to try out a new one. This time I picked up the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. I really enjoy some of the Too Faced Peach products, so I wanted to give this one a try. Hopefully I picked the right shade. You never know with ordering online. I like how it is a squeezy tube. It's very easy to travel with. I just kind of like this packaging. I like how it smells like peaches. I know that's probably not the best for your skin, but we'll try it out and see if it's the right color and see if I like the formula. Next thing we have is this Marc Jacobs highlighter. This is kind of like the bronzer. It's the Omega version, so like the huge pan. I got this one because it's limited edition. It is in a limited edition packaging. Look at the packaging, guys. Oh, the ring light's gonna kind of mess it up, but it is all glitter. OMG, that is beautiful. I love it already. The product inside is like a peachy golden glow highlight and it looks gorgeous. I'm super excited to try this out. Actually, I will swatch it for you on my finger and show you what it looks like. Well, it looks like it might be a little bit deep for me. Ooh, it looks a little bit deep. But I'll try it out in the video where I try out the products and see if it is any good. It's really smooth and creamy. And I love the packaging. So this is something that I did use today, so I did kind of break my rule a little bit, but this is the Marc Jacobs lip gloss in the color Sugar. I've been hearing people rave about this for years. I don't know why I'm just picking it up now because I have wanted it for a long time. This is a light nudie pink gloss and I'll swatch that for you next to this highlight. It's what I have on my lips today, by the way. But yes, that's what that looks like. Very pretty. I like this formula. This is what it looks like on my lips. So yeah, I think I'm gonna definitely really love these Marc Jacobs lip glosses and end up wanting to pick up more colors. I love this color. It's very beautiful. Okay, next we have the Fenty Beauty blushes. Now, these are small. This is a baby size. Like, look at that compared to my hand. Whoa, it's tiny. So if this isn't good, it will be going back because that's tiny. And I know it wasn't super expensive. I think it was $20. I got the shade Rose Latte, so just like a neutral nude color. It is a cream blush. They're brand new. I'll swatch it on my hand for you. It looks very pretty. It feels nice too. So I think I'll like it, but we will see. We will put this to the test. They have a lot of pretty colors that I was looking at trying, but I just wanted to pick up one for now just to see if I like the formula, and I always go with neutral when I'm picking something because that's kind of all the makeup that I wear. We have one more thing in this box. This is the pillowtalk eyeliner. So it's from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm sorry if I didn't say that before. I love the brand Charlotte Tilbury. Like, I absolutely love everything that I've gotten from them. This is a eyeliner that's like a mauvey brownie burgundy color, I think. Let's swatch it and I'll tell you if that's true. And it's supposed to, oh yeah, that's pretty. So it almost looks like a lip liner, but it's supposed to just really make your green eyes pop because it has that burgundy warm tone. So I think on my eyes this will look really nice. It'll be a good change up from black. I heard that these are really, really creamy and nice and stay on, so we will also have to check that out. Alright, let's move on to the big box. So this was the one I got first. In this box, I did use a few things as well. So yeah, I did mess with a couple of things. This is a repurchase. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Mask. You all have heard me talk about it over and over again because it is super, super good for your hair. It makes your hair look so much less frizzy and it's so much more manageable. So I just repurchased this because of course it was 20% off for me, so why not? I go through them, I needed a new one, and I can't say enough good things about this. It is a great hair mask. I picked up some skincare. This is the Glow Recipe set. It has a banana souffle moisture cream, a watermelon glow sleeping mask, and a watermelon glow ultrafine mist to set your makeup with. So I'm excited about this. I wanted to try out these two products. I've tried this in the past. I wanted to try these two products, so I think when you get a set like this, it's a good way to like try it out and see if you want to purchase the full size in the future. So I will be excited to try these out. I haven't got them out. I've wanted to try them, but I have tried to control myself. So this is something I have used quite a few times. This is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. This is such a pretty palette. It's so holographic and beautiful. These aren't necessarily like the colors I always gravitate towards, but they have some really pretty shimmers in here and some mattes and neutrals as well. And then this top row right here, I didn't think I would use it, but I have been actually using this palette with the colors because they're just so pretty. And when you do use like the glitters and the pressed pigments in here, it does look a little bit, it looks like it's been used. There's like finger imprints in there. That's what the colors look like. But they're so glittery and beautiful, and I am excited about using some of these colors even. I think that this is a beautiful palette and it really inspires me for spring. I've never had a Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette before, so this is my first one, and I have really been liking it and created some really pretty looks. In fact, I have 2 looks with this palette on my Instagram, so if you want to go follow me, that is at KDJ Beauty on Instagram, Katy. I really like this palette so far, and I will definitely be using this a lot in the spring. Next, I got this beauty blender set. I am addicted to beauty blenders. I purchased probably too many beauty blenders to be honest, but this is a great deal because it came with 3 beauty blenders and a beauty blender cleanser, and it was for $45. So you got 3 for pretty much 2, and the cleanser as well. So I am super excited to use this, of course, because beauty blenders are the best tools out there. I don't care what you say, these are the best sponges in my opinion, and why not get 3? The next product is a hair care product. This is by the brand Amika. I had never tried this before. I just wanted to try out some hair products because I've been liking the Briogeo one so much, and I wanted to try some new ones. This is a volume and matte texture spray. So you just, it's like an aerosol can, and you just spray it in there, and it just gives your hair some texture and touslness and some volume. Yeah, I think I'll really like this. It smells pretty good too, definitely fragranced, but yeah, I've used it once and I liked it, and I think it makes my hair look really tousled and beachy and undone, which is what I like. I like that, like really effortless, like kind of messy hair. and this product probably will be really good for that. So I did get another foundation. This one was on sale during the VIB sale, like it was marked down to $28. This is the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Full Coverage Foundation, and this isn't looking promising to me. I might have to take this back because the shade looks wrong when I was opening it a few days ago. I'll swatch it. It looks really yellow. So, and I don't really love the packaging either. I'll show you what it looks like. So that's the packaging like this, but then it's like a, when you open it, it has like a dropper kind of thing where you can put this right straight on your face, but look at that. It's a mess. I do not like the packaging already, and I don't think the color is correct for me. That's the color of it right there. That seems a little yellow to me. So I don't know about that one. I heard really good things about the formula, but if it's not the right color and if the packaging is going to be spilling everywhere, then I don't know if this is going to be one for me, because I do have a lot of other foundations I really like that don't make a big mess like this. Alright, next product, I have a Melt Lip Liner. This is in the color Foxy. It's a neutral, well, let me swatch it for you and I'll tell you what it is. This is it right here. It's like a cool toned medium shade. It's pretty neutral. I would go with like a pinky lip, I think, or even like a beige lip. I think this will be really nice. I can never have enough nude lip liners. Nude lipstick is pretty much all I wear, so I'm always looking for a really good lip liner. And I have the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless powder. You guys have also heard me rave about this. This is amazing. It's just a repurchase for me. Of course, I needed a backup from the sale since this is a very expensive powder. I love it though, so I have to have it, so I just picked that up. I recommend this to anyone who has very dry under eyes or has problems with things looking cakey. This definitely is worth the money and will make you look very flawless. I have another skincare product. This is The Ordinary and it's the Buffet. So I haven't used this either, but I'm excited to use it. I hear that The Ordinary has some really great products and they're also very affordable. So it's in a cute little packaging and it has like the dropper. And I think it's supposed to just have like kind of everything in there, which is why they call it the buffet. Here's what it does. It has surface hydration. It helps with fine lines, wrinkles, lines, and texture. So excited to test this out. This is my first Ordinary product that I've ever tried, and if I like it, I definitely will purchase more from the brand because this was like $14. The last thing is this Huda Beauty nude lipstick. I kind of got this to go with the liner because I wanted a more neutral toned lip, because most of the time I either have like a pinky lip or a peachy lip, but I don't usually go for like just neutral. And this one looked like a really pretty just neutral color. Packaging's really pretty. It's like an ombre black to the nude color, and then that is the lipstick. So it's a matte formula, but it feels pretty comfortable. It feels creamy and it's like a neutral brownish nude color. So that is all of the stuff I got. I shouldn't say that is all because that was a lot. There's still stuff that I had in my cart that I wanted, to be honest with you guys. Like, I really wanted to try a bunch of stuff from the sale this time, and I'm always looking forward to the sales because this is the best time to purchase new products or products that you need to just like get a backup on, stuff that's expensive, all that. So I did get a lot, but I'm excited to try it out and let you all know what I think of it. Thank you for joining me today in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got from the Sephora sale, and I hope you all have a great day. See you in my next video.